In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a game in Google Slides. We're turning a simple slide deck into a clickable, choose-your-path experience that works anywhere a browser does. You won't need code, just clear structure, good links, and a little creativity. Start by thinking of each slide as a screen in your game. Create the core slides that hold your questions, challenges, or story moments. One idea per slide keeps things clear. If you're building a quiz, each question gets its own slide. If you're telling a story, each scene gets a slide with a brief description and a visual. Keep your design consistent so players always know where to look. Duplicating a slide and editing the content is a quick way to maintain layout and style. Next, add the choices or answers that players click. Use shapes, text boxes, or button-like rectangles for clear, tappable targets. Make them large enough for easy clicking and label them with short, action-focused text like Choose Path A or Answer, Volcano. High contrast colors and consistent placement help players move faster and reduce mistakes. Now link each choice to the right destination. Select your shape or text, choose Insert, then Link, and pick slides in this presentation. Point correct answers to a Success or Next Step slide, and wrong answers to a gentle Try Again or Explanation slide. Story options should jump to the appropriate scene. Test as you go. Click. Present, try each button, and make sure every link lands where you expect. For extra interactivity, include optional score, hint, or bonus slides. A score slide can show progress after correct answers. A hint slide can offer guidance without giving everything away. A bonus slide can reward exploration. Add a clear Back or Continue button on those slides that links players to the right place. Keep scoring simple, like tallying correct choices or showing you've unlocked a bonus to maintain momentum. When you're ready to play, use present mode so the slides become full screen and clickable. Tell players to click the buttons, not the background, so they follow the intended paths. If they need to pause or restart, pressing Escape exits. Present mode quickly. Finally, share your game so others can interact on their own devices. Click Share. Set access so anyone with the link can view and send the link to your audience. They can open it on a computer, tablet, or phone and play right in the browser. If you'd like others to customize it, share a copy link so they can make their own version. That's it. Your Google Slides game is ready to play and share.